Alright guys, so you can tell we got new lighting. Hope you guys like it. We're trying to invest in this little garage that we have for now. We got some bubble wrap just to protect the carbon fiber. Full circle back around. It's been quite a few days, maybe weeks, on what occurred with this car. A little recap: it broke down in the highway in South Carolina. We was trying to pinpoint where it was coming from. We kind of rebuilt this whole distributor. It wasn't that. Maybe could have been a wire harness issue because we wasn't getting power all the way over here for some reason. We weren't getting power over there. A whole situation was going on. Looks like a little wiring issue. So we're moving forward. The ECU also got fried, and that threw out all of our motivation to try and save this. We don't want to keep investing money into this if we're not going to keep it. So that's Fred's main point. We was going to get another ECU. ECUs are going for like about 200 right now to 300. Why we're going to spend that? And if we got to get another harness, another 300, that's already 600 out the window. Still trying to figure out what's going on. Fred decided to sell this. We have a buyer that's going to pick it up this weekend. So a good price. We're giving them everything. We don't need it. Strip this whole car, and believe it or not, we're going K. Hopefully we can get this K swap done within a month or 2 months. The car has to go to a body shop before we go K. As you can see, the radiator support is bent. We do know the restoration process of the rear. That has to get done. Pieces like this has to get, cut out or replaced, added on. But yeah, let's take out the motor that we just put in a few months ago, back out and sell it. So now we're just gonna redo the process that we just did. So let's just take out the harness. We're not just gonna waste our time. We want to diagnose it, but this is just gonna be a waste of time and a waste of money. We were gonna go K anyways. Let's just get that out of the way. Let's get this disconnected and have this motor out by the end of the day so we can sell it. Returning back, we're gonna disconnect everything, get everything out. We're already disconnecting here. We're gonna drop this whole motor as is because we don't need anything. Even the shift linkage, we're giving it to them. First, drain fluids. It was short-lived, and I hope you guys enjoy it because it looks like the channel is enjoying the Civic content, and we might be getting another one soon if y'all like it this much. Our question to you guys is whether you want an EK or an EG. Which one would you prefer? And if this one's going K, best believe the next one will be. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the content, and we'll see you on the next one. Got pretty much the motor's out. It's done. I have the car lifted. The motors are pretty much out, so I'm gonna leave it like this for now. It's on jack stands, so don't worry about that. And I'll put the time here on how much it took me. I think it was 2 hours or less, but I shall put it there. Place your bets in the comments before I put it. Let me know how long you think it took me to take this motor out. All right, so it's another day. We got the motor out. We sold it. Next we have to take off. Next we would have to remove the gas out of the car because he has a leaking filler neck, which is causing it to leak in my garage, causing it to smell like gas, which would then travel all the way upstairs. So we don't want that. We bought this from Harbor Freight, and it says pumps over 6 quarts per minute, which is actually working pretty well. We were trying to siphon it with that from the gas tank, and it's not working. It's doing it pretty slow. So yeah, this is what we're doing now. I'll show you guys. It's pretty crazy. And it uses 2D batteries. Pause on that, but it uses 2D batteries. And yeah, let's try to get all of the gas out of here.